It's so hard. So can you see the way I'm driving? So I have to stretch myself towards in front so that I get a full view. So guys, we are here in Kisumu. I'm going to fuel. Okay guys, I need to chase that bus. Oh, wapi? Kigali. I've never heard of that place. Hapo ni wapi? County gani?
Kericho bado.
Oh, all right. That one I know. Kericho I know. Is in town or you? Okay. All right. So you have to work hard. After a few, no, I was going to say after a few months. Is it a few months or a few years?
Yes.
I shall be treating us. I shall come to be treated by you.
But don't get sick.
Even if Apa. Oh my God, this road is. So guys, as you can see, actually guys, let me tell you, I have a YouTube channel. I do some content creation. Maybe if you have a smartphone, you can subscribe to my channel. Then next time on my way back, I can bring you some gifts from Rwanda. Isa. It's called Travel with NTIRUSHWA. Travel with NTIRUSHWA. Travel with NTIRUSHWA. You can check it now if you don't have internet. Pardon? Okay. I'm very sure that you want to remember that name. Travel with NTIRUSHWA. No. Kuna channel mingi za travel with. So this river is called Nyando. Okay, so this is Nyando River. I've been passing it, but I didn't know the name. Okay, it's a big, looks big. Paka Uganda. Oh, okay.
Once you get Victoria, paka Swiss Canal huko Egypt. Siko na outlet yake paka Egypt.
Okay.
Na feed Egypt na maji.
So hapa tunafaa kujaribu overtake. But wewe niangalie hapo venye nilikufundisha. Utakuwa dereva kweli? Shit, I don't want. You know, nikigonga kama hivi itagonga ile ndani yangu.
Iko low. The boot is very low.
Yeah, very low. Imagine 2 days ago nilikuwa garage. Walikuwa wanachoma ile sump. Unajua ile sump ya engine?
Yeah.
Kwa juu ya barabara za Nairobi ni mbaya sana. The rain in Kisumu. Gonna stop, huh? We're going to stop. Sioni. Unaona wewe?
Kuna zaidi inaongezeka.
I want you to, guys, it's so hard. So can you see the way I'm driving? So I have to stretch myself towards in front so that I get a full view. It's not easy. It's not easy. As you can see here, we are in Kisumu town. The way we are going down, the lake is straight. Like if there was no this building as you see ahead, if we like go down like without stopping, we can end up in the Lake Victoria. Yes. So toward this side there is a railway station. So guys, we are here in Kisumu. I'm going to fuel, but I need to confirm the amount of money that I have. 200, 300, 400. 600, 800, 1000. Naweka ngapi kweli? Bro, check. Yes, yes. All right, guys, we're gonna continue to Busia border. From here to Busia, let's calculate the time because it's already late in the night. So 2 hours, huh? Yeah, so let's go. Poa. Poa poa.
Nairobi road hapo hivyo Naikuru kikuja.
Leo.
Kombe yangu na kupita na hiyo na.
Unatoka wapi?
Kutoka Mombasa.
Okay. Thank you so much. Naenda Rwanda.
Rwanda. Pamoja.
Sawa bro, asante. Poa. All right, continuing our journey. Okay guys, I need to chase that bus. Let me chase it. Guys, welcome. Good morning. Today is on Monday. Welcome back to the channel. We are in Busia. This is Busia, the border town. So this is where we reached last night. We arrived at around 10 p.m. And I've parked my car in this hotel inside, and I've slept outside the hotel. Yes, I'm gonna prepare the video for the first episode, then I will see if I'll be able to upload it. Thank you so much everybody, thank you so much for watching, and stay in touch for the next episode. Thank you so much.